Alright folks, today I'm going to teach you how to build a killer resume that will make employers take notice. First things first, keep it clean and organized. Your resume should be easy to read, so use a clear font and bullet points to highlight your skills and experience. Next, let's talk about the structure. Start with your contact information at the top, followed by a professional summary that showcases your strengths and career goals. Then dive into your work experience, listing your most recent job first, and including specific accomplishments and responsibilities. Don't forget to include your education certifications and any relevant skills or achievements. Tailor your resume to the job you're applying for by emphasizing the skills and experiences that align with the position. Now let's address the elephant in the room: gaps in your work history. Be honest about any gaps and use this as an opportunity to explain what you were doing during that time, whether it was furthering your education, volunteering, or taking care of family. Lastly, proofread, spelling and grammar. Mistakes can make a bad impression, so double-check everything before sending it out. Remember, your resume is your first impression, so make it count. With these tips, you'll be on your way to landing your dream job. Good luck out there!